Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. I go by Honest Liz on the internet. And today we're going to talk about something that so many of us have experienced, that is sticky hair after using hair gel. I've struggled with this too, but over time I've learned some tips and tricks that have helped me to keep my hair looking great. Here's my tip number one. Apply your hair gel on soaking wet hair. This may sound strange, but trust me, it works. When your hair is wet and slippery, it's easy to distribute the gel evenly to prevent that stickiness later. You can also try using less gel because some gels are so highly concentrated, you don't need a lot of gel to apply on your hair to get those results you want. You can also try using less gel because when you use too much gel, that can also cause the stickiness. But you've already applied hair gel and it already feels sticky, so now what do? It's super simple. Apply wet palms and graze it over your hair, especially in the sticky areas, and diffuse immediately to set them. And the best part of this is that you don't even have to wash your hair all over again to get rid of the stickiness. I actually did that today. I put water in my hair but for me I finger coiled some of my hair parts. But I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Be sure to subscribe so that you can see when it comes. And there you have it, my top tips for preventing sticky hair from using hair gel and how to get rid of it in no time. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so what might work for me might not work for you. But trial and error is the only way to go. And if you have any other tips for sticky hair from using hair gel, please leave them in the comments and I would love to see them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. When you use too much product, remember, everyone's hair is different, so what and today we're going to talk about something that so many of us have